Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori. If you're new here, it is an exceptionally blustery and kind of rainy day, so I look a little windblown. I was trying to collect some things outside before I gave you this haul, but it is nearing the end of the night here. Earlier today, we took the kids and went with a few friends to the discount grocery store, and I'm going to do a haul for you. We scored big time. We got some things to put away for a rainy day, but we also got some current pantry staples that we needed to cycle through. So this is more of a pantry stock up, prepper pantry stock up, whatever you want to call it. It is meant to be motivational. It is meant for you to go out and stockpile on the cheap because I know you can do it. Budgeting for emergencies is something that I'm very passionate about. I talk about it often on the channel and I love to show you all of those buys. I promise you there is a discount store in your area. Just let me know where you're from if you feel comfortable and you can't find one and I will help you out. Or you could dial your local 211 and they can point you in the direction of food in case you are feeling food insecurity in your home. With that being said, hi, hello, my name is Tori. I like to show you how to be prepared on a budget. We like to be prepared for any emergency life throws at us. So if you like that kind of thing, definitely hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get right into it. Okay, here's the haul. I have everything set out for you. There's a few things in there that aren't really prepper related items, but you know, we'll get to that. And I'm not going to even defend it. But anyways, we're starting over here. We got grass-fed, grass-finished beef, and then we got some ground bison, the 85.15. So this is $4.94. That's an incredible price. And then the ground beef, I believe, is the same, like $4.94 or $3.94, something cheap like that. I got the Chosen Foods Chipotle mayo with avocado oil. This was 54 cents and it has some good ingredients. I do really like the Chosen Foods brand. It just depends what you get. I got some brown gravy mix. I always get this. It's 50 cents. I know there's some things in there that are a little iffy, but all in all, it's not terrible. There are some gums in there that I'm not a fan of. I would like to remake my little powdered gravy, and I will drop that recipe in the box for you just in case you want to make your own little larger stock. I just put it in a large mason jar and then vacuum seal it, and then I take from it and I just add water or milk or whatever it is for the recipe, and then we go from there. So essentially exactly what's in here, but these are really cheap. Sometimes they're a quarter, but I just went ahead and stocked up. Next up, I did get some coffee. This was $4.95. It's organic coffee. Typically they are expired, but honestly, I don't really find a difference. If you are a coffee connoisseur, you probably would. Is there? Yeah, 6/15/2023. So we will be okay. We'll be all right. But we like to grind our coffee. Next up are some waters, and this is for the prepper pantry. You all know I'm trying to prep in glass and some sort of, I guess, metal can, just not plastic. So I'm trying for alkaline water, purified water with electrolytes, pH 9.5 plus. So that's good path. I've heard great things about, but I typically get the Hawaiian volcanic water. So I got 3 of those and then 2 of the path and went for my typical 5 when it comes to stocking up. Next on the list, I found some made with organic non-GMO black beans, and I love these because typically at Sprouts, these are going to be $2.40, you know, $2.60, but at Esch's, they were 99 cents. So I got black beans, pinto, dark red kidney, and these are something that I can always find there and count on. Next up, I got cut wax beans because I really enjoy those. We have some Simple Mills almond flour, fine ground sea salt crackers, and these were on sale for $3.50, so killer deal, and they have really good ingredients here. Next on the list, you may find this silly, but I'm a girl. I like to do my nails, and the Impressed color, if you're looking for one on the market that actually works, that's a home manicure. If you rough up your nails and get these press-on nails, there's no glue, it's just an adhesive like sticker. They can last for 2 weeks, and I do the dishes twice a day. I'm out in the chicken coop, I'm out in the duck pond, I'm wrangling kids, you know, I think they work well. I really do. As someone who works with their hands as much as I do, typically at like a Target or a Walmart, I haven't stepped into one of those in a very long time. These were $7.99, $6.99, but at Esch's, they're usually $5.29, but right now they're $1. So I went ahead and grabbed some. So if you're in the area and you want a easy, cheap manicure, here you go. I took out a lot of things when I became a stay-at-home mom, and getting my nails done and my lashes done were just expensive, and I figured I could just do it myself. So press-on manicures, I get the white because you can paint them, but they have a variety of colors. Next up, we have the Kalahari air-dried thinly sliced beef. These are great for go bags, 32 grams of protein in the whole pack, and I believe it's 160 calories, but it's some really good ingredients there. Beef, vinegar, salt, coriander, rosemary, black pepper, and that's it. So I really like having these. I think it's great to have in a go bag, and that's exactly where it's going. We have some organic sea salt white corn tortilla chips. We always just keep those on hand because they're delicious, and I always try and go for organic corn, non-GMO corn. So depends where you are, but the Esches in Loveland had this. Next on the list is grapefruit. I'm going to do some grapefruit juice, and I'm going to make some greyhounds this weekend for my husband and I. Next up, I have some red enchilada sauce, the Siete blend. This was $3.29 stickered, but it was $1.79. So I think that's a great price, especially for this brand. Typically, these are going to run $8.99, $9.99, and I can't justify spending that much on jarred enchilada sauce. Of course, I would love to make my own, but sometimes it's just easier to grab these. The peanut cocoa truffles were on sale, Black Dot, 50% off of $2.37. So my husband likes to bring these in his lunches, and I just grabbed him a bag. I got some Vermont uncured turkey pepperoni. Fun fact, we had 5 of these and they're already gone. So yep, we have one lone one left. I believe they're like $1.19 at Esches. We have hop tea. If you're new here, I actually used to work for this brand. I really enjoy it. It's a non-alcoholic drink, and it's made with hops, so it really does taste like an IPA. I love the really hoppy one, of course, with black tea. This has caffeine, and then this one, the Citrabomb one, I believe it still has caffeine. Let me check here. Oh, goodness. Where are we at? Yep, 30 milligrams of caffeine, so not terrible, but if you're looking to swap out something and you're looking for something inexpensive, hop tea is a great drink. I really think it's amazing. So $1.39 at Esches. Typically they're $2.99 in store, or sometimes $4 if you go to Whole Foods. Next thing I stocked up on, this is just for our pantry, but the Unreal dark chocolate peanut butter cups. We really enjoy these, but they're often upwards of $8. So I just can't justify spending that. I could probably make my own, but at Esches, they are $3.29. So we went ahead and grabbed 2 of those, one for my husband's lunches and one for me to snack on. So if you're new here, my husband, he loves these Sara Lee's original bakery bread buns, and they're $1.69. So I get these and I freeze them for his sandwiches. And then another thing that I got is the flour, the organic Golden Buffalo. I really enjoy this flour. I think it makes a great bread, makes a good like pizza crust, and it's $2.72. So that's a great price. So we also got bananas. We go through those a ton, and that's the fun thing about Esches. They do have regular produce items, and oftentimes they're marked down, 20 cents, 30 cents, and I know that makes a difference in my household. So the last thing we got are these. They were on sale for $1, no nitrates, and my kids really love to snack on these. So we just got 2 of those. Killer deal there. And then I did go with 2 of my friends. They happen to be creators too, so I will drop their links. But my friend Bree, I have talked about her before. We've formed a connection here, and I will drop her YouTube channel. She made me a loaf of sourdough, and I traded some eggs. So bartering at its finest. I find that it's so important just to be open in this community, because wow, there is a lot of disconnect. So I am so happy we met and we had a chance to go up there. And then I met up with my other friend Abby, and she has the blog Sweet Rind and Salt. So if you're looking for phenomenal recipes that are just tasty and they look good, I will drop her blog as well. So I'm gonna get this put away. This is what I stocked up on this week. So a little under $70. I did end up getting my kids a homeschool book, so that put us up by like $10. But other than that, that store has everything. I encourage you to shop your sales. It is so important to save money. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope this video inspired you to go out and stock up on the cheap. You never know what life is going to throw at you, and I feel like it's important to be prepared for any emergency. So drop down in the comments below if you love shopping at your local discount store. Make sure you subscribe if you are new. Give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps the channel if you enjoyed it. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.